Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be talking about how you can install Sparkflows on Linux EC2 machine. So as a first step, we will go to sparkflows.io/Linux and then we will be clicking on the download button to download the tar file. Now this is going to take some time, so in the meanwhile we'll be creating a security group. So we need the necessary inbound and outbound rules to be configured so that our instance is accessible from the internet. So let's create a security group. This is going to be a very basic one. Let's give it a name and let's give a description. This is going to allow SSH and HTTP traffic. You can choose your VPC. So for our simple test, we are going to allow anywhere from the internet, and we are also going to allow SSH from anywhere. So now that we have the security group ready, we are going to create an EC2 machine with this security group. Let's choose an AMI. And an instance type which has at least 8 gigs of RAM. We'll select a key pair, any key pair that you have access to, and then we are going to select an existing security group that we just created. We'll give at least 50 gigs of disk storage, and we will launch the instance. So this is going to take some time for the instance to up and ready. So we'll wait for some time. So now that we have the instance up and running, we are going to just log into the instance and install the basic necessities for running Sparkflows on our server. So let's do SSH -i. We are going to provide the path for PEM file, and then we are going to provide the EC2 user with the host name, which is the public IP4 DNS name. So we have successfully logged into the EC2 server. Next, we are going to install Java 8. Java 8 is required for running the Sparkflows. Let's do yes. This is going to take a couple of seconds to install Java 8. And now we can verify whether the Java has been installed. So we have Java 1.8 installed, and now we are ready to transfer the downloaded file that we have downloaded for installing Sparkflows. So now that we have installed Java 8, we are going to transfer the downloaded file, the tar file, onto the EC2 server. So we'll be using the scp command. And we are going to give the path of the downloaded file, which is in the downloads directory. and we are going to save it in the home directory of EC2 user. So let's fix the spelling. And now our file is going to be transferred to the EC2 server. So this is going to take some time. So now that we have downloaded the TOR file, we are going to unzip it. So we can just verify the file has been downloaded. So we have this file, and we'll be using this command tar-xvf to extract the files. This is going to take a couple of seconds. So once we have the files extracted, we are going to just change to the file directory and run the script that allows us to create s2db. Now we are going to run the file server. Again, the file server will take at least a minute or two for starting the server. So after a minute or two, we are just going to open the web browser and navigate to the port 8080 to look at the web UI. So now let's go to the web browser, and we will be using the machine name or the public IP4 DNS name. And we'll open the login page. Now we can just quickly use admin as a username and admin as the password for logging to the web server. So now we have an installation of Firesides which is ready to use. Thank you.